How to get refund on Nintendo Switch eShop. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this instructional video, I'll be guiding you through the process of obtaining a refund for a purchase made on Nintendo eShop. It's a straightforward and efficient procedure, so be sure to follow along. As you can see that I am currently on the Nintendo website, specifically on their customer support section. In order to initiate the refund process, you need to utilize the Nintendo customer support's website. Instead of accessing the eShop directly from your Nintendo Switch or console, open a web browser and navigate to the Nintendo support page. Here, utilize the search function at the top to locate the refund option. The initial search result you should look for is refund request for downloaded game or DLC, wrong game, didn't like the game, or accidental purpose. This section provides the comprehensive information on the eligibility criteria for the refunds, including details on the applicable consoles. After reviewing this information and determining your eligibility, if you still wish to proceed with the refund, click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. Upon doing so, select your reason and wait for the contact page to load. You'll have three options to reach out to support through chat, text, message, or phone. Please note that the support services may currently be closed, but during operational hours, you can request a refund for a purchase made on your Nintendo Switch or any other Nintendo console. So this is basically on how to get refund on Nintendo Switch eShop. I trust that this guide has been beneficial in assisting you with obtaining a refund for a purchase made on the Nintendo Switch eShop. If you found this video helpful, kindly consider leaving a like and subscribing for more quick and efficient tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.